How are you? Can I rub me a cowboy? Good. Got my candles. Want to take a bath?
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
You can do it now.
Huh?
Do you have a cigarette?
No, I don't.
Oh, let's go in my house and rub me a cowboy. Should I push you? Should I take the friends? Okay. And rub me a cowboy. Get your Christmas. Don't settle yourself. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy Halloween. I bring my candles. See?
Okay, can you leave my house, please?
Yes, I will. I'll go to my. How much farther to house 1675 Geary?
What?
How much farther to my house 1675 Geary Street?
1675.
Geary, my house.
That way.
That way. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I'm going to the casino. Let's go to the
I think there's a couple blocks that way.
That way? Peabody and Kingston. Okay, thank you. You rub me a cowboy. You got my rope. I'm write me a cowboy. Give me some rope. I got my rope now. I got friends along the place. But if I stay down, hurry to mine.
Oh, shit.
That has a keyed fucking screen door. A threat alert. What the fuck are you thinking? I said I'm just sleeping. Fucking bitch. Hey! Cowboy! Fucking nigger. 440. Front blade. Silver blade. Motherfucking piece of... Call the fucking Washington County Sheriff. RPD.